Alright, so we want to now take a look at how to adjust your section crop boxes. So I am going to double click on section 1. It's going to bring up my section 1, and I'm just going to, let's go ahead and close the site plan, don't really need it anymore, and I'm just going to adjust this one so it's right next to our floor plan, zoom extents. And if I pick this crop box and I go to size and crop, you're going to see that the width is set to 5. That's because we set it already by adjusting the view range of that section in plan. So let me show you an example of that. So if I hit cancel and I come over here and I pick that section marker, you're going to see that that view range highlights. And if I move, let's say for example this guy out there, you're going to see that one adjust as well. So if I Control Z, move that back. So basically by setting up these, you've adjusted the crop marks here. Now we have a vertical view range that's not correct, so we need to adjust that and set it up. The other thing I'll probably do just quickly is select the height on level 2, which is a little high, and I'll just set it down to 12, so at least it's actually inside my object. And you can also see that you have the reference planes going up vertically as well. Alright, so this one's not centered, so before you adjust the crop box using the size and crop, go ahead and pick it and just get it sort of down to where you think you might want it. Okay, so you see that comes down. I'll bring this one up to about right there. Maybe I want a little bit more height on the top of it. Now you can go to size and crop and sort of clean that up. So maybe we'll just set that at 3, right? So now we're going to have a 5-inch by 3-inch crop box. Now let's fix the section marker. Select the section, and I'm going to adjust the vertical view range. I'm going to leave the view range on the right hand side the same, or else it would adjust on the plans. So again, these are not just annotations. They are three-dimensional cutting planes with view ranges in the X, Y, and Z, and you need to respect that or you're going to have some serious strangenesses in your drawing. So what I just did was I split that section by clicking on the section, and there's a little zigzag and you can split it. And then once you split it, you get the little blue dots and you can shorten them up. Now, and then by picking the top one, you can drag it down. Okay, and then you can also do a similar thing to what you did with the floor plans. If you have other sections to adjust, you can go to your architecture tab, reference plane, and you can set up a reference plane that you can use to adjust where your section markers are. Okay, so now if I were to open up my section 2, let's go ahead and place this. Now we should be able to select this crop box, go to size and crop, and it's already set to 8 by 3, right? So that's the length and the height that we already want, and the only thing we have left to do with the section marker is to adjust it, right? Oops, drag it down. I'll adjust it more closely once I get in. Okay, so you see it sort of cascades through as you get these things set up. So the next thing we're going to go over is adjusting the level markers in section. So we'll do that in the next installment.